Let's talk about love, baby, yeah. Let's talk about trust. In my bed I got love and aid. In my mind is where the battle rages. Demons and angels fighting. All I wanna do is the right thing. Have you just cuddle beside of me, fall asleep in my arms, baby, yeah. What happened is perfect matchup. I'm bleeding gasoline. Throw that match up, watch me burn in love. Together, forever, is a lie told to us as kids. It's obvious in the way that we live. Unforgettable, even after we've agreed to forgive. Baby, let's talk about love. Let's talk about trust.
Yeah. All right, so first and foremost, let me thank you on behalf of staff and the production team for being here at the 100% Talent Show.
Geminist.
Right? And the fact that you have traveled so far to present yourself, and then you said that the rhythm gain a justice here a cappella. You understand? With that said, I give you a 9, with the exception for you come back again. You understand? But the voice, beautiful, mad thing. I know if the rhythm is different, the track right now, mad thing with that go on. So, you don't know, we're going to see you back in the next competition again. You understand? And thank you for being a part of the whole production. You understand? We would love to see you again.
Yes, Nero Malisha, thank you for your motivation. You know what I mean? Kisha, Las Vegas.
Seeing that this is the first day you're auditioning, really, right? We don't normally give you a score, but I will say, you know, it's a welcoming. I like the fact that you didn't have a rhythm and you just said, you know, straight a cappella. I'm just going to work with something to ensure that I'm a part of this. So that's the reason why I welcome you. I like that. All right? Welcome to 100% Talent.
Giving him a score? What number? No score.
I love your confidence.
All right.
I like how you never pay mind because the rhythm not work. You come out and you say you're going to do your thing. You let me know what False Fetter is about. You understand me? You nail that. Welcome to 100% Talent.
Thank you, Lady Tash. Our General, Harold.
Yo, boss. Yeah, bad artist. Yeah, man, bad singer, man. You see me, vocals them bad. You see me, welcome. Give which one you forward from, G? Sentan. You forward from Sentan. Big up the whole of your Sentan people, them. Said way. You see me, I deal with give thanks for being a part. 100% Talent Jamaica. You see me, I deal we're honored for having you on board. You see me? Yeah. And we look forward to see where you're forward with next week, you know?
Oh, you mean, big up yourself and all the best, my boss. Hopefully to see you in the next round.